One car every 60 seconds. Not a rumor, not a concept, a real production line. Moving so fast, it makes most factories look outdated. And here's why this matters. If one company can build a vehicle every single minute, what happens to pricing power? What happens to competitors? And what happens to the entire global auto market? Because this isn't just about speed, it's about dominance. And it could quietly reshape the industry. We're talking about Toyota. Inside its mega manufacturing hubs, including massive facilities in Japan and North America, Toyota has refined its legendary production system to the point where a completed vehicle rolls off the line roughly every 60 seconds in high-output plants. Why now? Because global demand is stabilizing after the COVID shortages. Competitors are struggling with EV slowdowns, and Toyota is doubling down on efficiency instead of overhyping electrification. While others pivot, Toyota scales fast. Let's look at the receipts. Toyota produced over 10 million vehicles globally last year, reclaiming its title as the world's top automaker. That's ahead of Volkswagen, ahead of GM. And according to industry tracking from Cox Automotive, Toyota continues to maintain some of the lowest average days to turn inventory in the US. Translation? Cars don't sit, they move. While some brands saw bloated inventories post-COVID, Toyota stayed lean. And here's the crazy part. Even during semiconductor shortages, Toyota's production system, built on just-in-time logistics, allowed it to recover faster than many rivals. Compare that to 2008. Back then, automakers were drowning in overproduction. Today, Toyota produces fast but adjusts fast. That's a massive difference. This didn't happen overnight. Toyota's speed comes from decades of refining the Toyota production system, a method built on eliminating waste, maximizing efficiency, and empowering factory workers to stop the line if there's a defect. Now add in inflation pressuring buyers, high interest rates squeezing monthly payments, an EV demand slowdown hitting pure electric brands, trade tensions, and tariff uncertainties. Instead of betting everything on EV volume, Toyota pushed hybrids hard. And guess what? Hybrid demand is exploding. So while some EV-heavy competitors scale back production, Toyota keeps lines moving at full speed. One car per minute isn't chaos, it's calculated. Now let's translate this into real-world impact. For buyers, high production efficiency can mean stable pricing, or even better negotiating leverage if output stays strong. For dealers, faster replenishment means less risk of empty lots, but also less room for extreme markups like we saw during shortages. For the overall market, if Toyota can produce at this scale without flooding inventory, it puts pressure on slower, higher-cost competitors. And here's the bigger question. If weaker brands can't match this efficiency, what happens during the next downturn? Because production speed isn't just about volume, it's about survival. But wait, what if producing one car per minute becomes the new industry benchmark? What if automation, AI-driven logistics, and modular platforms make this standard? Suddenly, brands with slower systems look outdated, and investors notice that. Here's the logical next step. If demand holds steady and hybrids keep surging, Toyota's high-speed production could strengthen profit margins, increase global market share, force competitors into incentive wars, accelerate consolidation among weaker automakers, and if interest rates fall, production like this becomes even more powerful because demand would spike, and Toyota can actually meet it, unlike during COVID. What if I told you there's a factory so advanced, so perfectly synchronized, that it produces one fully built vehicle every single minute? Not a frame, not a shell, a complete drive-ready car rolling off the line with clockwork precision. Today we're going inside the heart of Toyota, into one of the most efficient automotive production systems ever created, where engineering discipline meets near scientific perfection. The scale hits you first. Massive steel beams stretch across a building so large it feels like its own city. Conveyor systems snake through multiple levels. Autonomous carts glide silently across the floor, delivering parts at exactly the right moment. Thousands of workers and robots move in perfect choreography. There is no chaos, no wasted motion, no loud frantic scrambling, just flow. Because inside Toyota's mega factory, flow is everything. This isn't just manufacturing. This is the legendary Toyota production system, a philosophy that reshaped global industry. While many automakers chase speed, Toyota mastered something far more powerful: precision timing. Every bolt, every panel, every wire harness arrives at the assembly station seconds before it's needed, not hours early, not sitting in piles, seconds. That's called just-in-time production, and it's one of the reasons a car rolls out every 60 seconds without the system collapsing under its own weight. And here's what makes this even more impressive. This factory doesn't just build one model, it can switch between multiple vehicle types on the same line. A sedan might pass by, followed by an SUV, then a hybrid variant, all seamlessly integrated. That flexibility is what keeps Toyota competitive in a market where demand changes fast. When other factories need weeks to retool, Toyota adapts in days. But speed alone doesn't explain the 1 car per minute miracle. The real secret lies in something deceptively simple: stopping the line. That's right, any worker can pull a cord and halt the entire operation if they spot a problem. It sounds risky, it sounds expensive, but it's exactly why defects don't multiply. Instead of fixing mistakes later, Toyota fixes them instantly. Quality isn't inspected in at the end, it's built in at every step. Now imagine the logistics behind this operation. Thousands of components from hundreds of suppliers arrive daily, sequenced in exact order. Engines slide into place with millimeter precision. Robotic arms weld frames with sparks flying in synchronized arcs. High-tech scanners verify alignment in real time. And overhead, digital dashboards track every microsecond of production efficiency. The paint shop alone is a technological masterpiece. Before a vehicle ever receives its glossy finish, it passes through a series of cleansing baths, anti-corrosion treatments, and robotic spray chambers where paint thickness is measured down to microns. The process is so refined that color changes can happen without shutting down production, something older factories could never achieve. And then there's automation. Contrary to what many people think, this isn't a fully robotic world replacing humans. Toyota's system blends human judgment with robotic consistency. Robots handle repetitive heavy tasks: welding, lifting, sealing, while skilled workers focus on precision installations and quality checks. It's collaboration, not competition. That balance keeps productivity high without sacrificing craftsmanship. But here's where things get even more mind-blowing: energy efficiency. These mega factories are designed to reduce waste at every level. Heat generated from equipment is recycled. Water used in paint processes is filtered and reused. Even scrap metal is reprocessed immediately. The goal isn't just speed, it's sustainability at industrial scale. What you're watching is decades of refinement. Since its founding in 1937, Toyota didn't just grow bigger, it grew smarter. The principles that started in small workshops evolved into global best practices studied by business schools worldwide. Companies from tech giants to hospitals have copied elements of this system, but few match the discipline required to sustain it at automotive scale. And remember, 1 car per minute doesn't mean the factory only builds 60 cars an hour and calls it a day. This operation runs across multiple shifts, often producing hundreds of thousands of vehicles annually, each one undergoing thousands of individual assembly steps, yet emerging almost rhythmically, like a mechanical heartbeat echoing through steel corridors. Stand near the end of the line and you'll see something surreal. Finished vehicles rolling forward in silent procession, headlights blinking on for the first time, engines firing up as they prepare for testing. What began as coils of steel and crates of components just hours earlier is now a fully engineered machine ready for the road, over and over again, every minute. And yet, for all the robotics and digital systems, the most powerful force inside this mega factory isn't a machine. It's culture. Continuous improvement, or Kaizen, drives workers to look for tiny inefficiencies every single day. A movement shaved by half a second. A part tray repositioned to reduce strain. Small adjustments compound into massive gains over time. That's how you sustain 1 car per minute without burning out people or equipment. But here's the big question. In an era of electric vehicles, supply chain shocks, and rising automation, can even Toyota's legendary system keep up with what's coming next? Because inside these walls, transformation is already happening, and what they're quietly preparing for could change the way cars are built forever. Because behind the scenes, Toyota isn't just building cars the way it always has. It's redesigning the future of manufacturing again. That adaptability protects the company from market swings. If EV demand spikes, they adjust output. If hybrid demand surges, they pivot without shutting down entire plants. It's industrial agility on a scale few competitors can match. And then there's the silent intelligence running above it all, data. Every station on the line feeds information into centralized systems, monitoring torque settings, part tolerances, installation times, and even worker ergonomics. If a bolt is tightened slightly outside specification, the system knows. If a station falls behind by a few seconds, supervisors see it instantly. This isn't guesswork. It's real-time manufacturing analytics guiding thousands of micro-decisions every hour. Step into the body welding section and it feels almost cinematic. Robotic arms swing with choreographed precision, sparks cascading like fireworks as steel panels fuse together. The coordination is so exact that the choreography rarely collides or hesitates. Each weld is mapped digitally before it's ever executed physically. Machines don't just follow instructions, they verify their own accuracy mid-process. On the floor below, automated guided vehicles, small robotic carts, transport dashboards, seats, and drivetrains to precisely timed destinations. There are no massive stockpiles cluttering the factory. Inventory moves like blood through arteries, arriving exactly when needed. That's the heartbeat of the Toyota production system. Eliminate waste, eliminate excess, eliminate delay. But perhaps the most underestimated feature of this mega factory is training. Every worker undergoes extensive preparation before ever touching the production line. Simulated stations allow practice without risk. New employees are mentored closely, and improvement suggestions aren't just welcomed, they're expected. In many factories around the world, workers follow instructions. Here, they help design better ones. Now imagine the pressure. Producing one vehicle per minute means every 60 seconds, thousands of parts must align flawlessly. If even a small disruption occurs, a missing sensor, a delayed shipment, a faulty component, the ripple effect could be enormous. And yet Toyota has engineered resilience into the system. Backup suppliers, cross-trained employees, contingency buffers measured in minutes, not days. It's controlled intensity, not chaos. At the end of the line, each finished vehicle undergoes dynamic testing, alignment checks, brake calibration, electronic system verification, water leak testing, where vehicles pass through simulated storms. Even after the clockwork precision of assembly, nothing leaves without final validation. Because speed without reliability would destroy the entire philosophy. And here's something most viewers don't realize. This one car per minute rate isn't the limit, it's the balance point. Toyota could push faster. The machinery could likely handle it, but pushing beyond optimal flow would increase strain, increase errors, increase fatigue. So instead of chasing maximum speed, they chase sustainable speed. That's the difference between short-term output and long-term dominance. Think about what that means globally. Toyota operates dozens of major production facilities worldwide, many influenced by the same core principles refined in Japan. The knowledge flows outward, the discipline scales internationally, and while other automakers struggle with recalls, inconsistent quality, or production bottlenecks, Toyota's system remains one of the most studied and replicated industrial models in history. But the story doesn't stop inside the factory walls. Autonomous driving components are being integrated, advanced driver assistance systems are calibrated before the vehicle even sees a public road. Software updates are tested in controlled environments. The line between mechanical engineering and digital innovation is blurring, and Toyota is quietly mastering that transition. And here's where things become even more intriguing. Rumors inside the industry suggest Toyota is experimenting with even more radical manufacturing techniques. Gigacasting-style structural components, simplified part architectures, and AI-assisted inspection systems that could reduce assembly steps dramatically. If those innovations scale successfully, the one car per minute benchmark may soon look conservative. Yet despite all this technology, if you stand in the center of the factory and close your eyes, what you notice isn't noise, it's rhythm, a steady hum, a synchronized pulse, thousands of coordinated actions happening with minimal wasted motion. It feels less like a chaotic industrial site and more like a living organism operating at peak efficiency. And that's the real secret of Toyota's mega factory. It isn't just about producing vehicles quickly. It's about designing a system so refined that speed becomes a natural byproduct of discipline. So precise that 1 car per minute isn't a headline, it's routine. So resilient that even global disruptions struggle to break its flow. But here's the question that keeps competitors awake at night. If this is what Toyota's factories look like today, what happens when the next generation of manufacturing technologies fully come online? When AI begins predicting maintenance before breakdowns happen? When modular vehicle platforms cut assembly steps in half? When electrification reshapes supply chains entirely? And Toyota integrates all of it into a system already operating like clockwork. Because that's when this story shifts from impressive to almost unstoppable. Imagine a factory where machines don't just follow instructions, they anticipate them. Predictive maintenance systems already monitor vibration patterns in motors, heat signatures in welding units, and microscopic deviations in robotic arm movement. If something begins to wear down, alerts trigger before failure ever occurs. Repairs are scheduled during micro downtime windows, so production never fully stops. The line doesn't react to problems, it prevents them. Now layer artificial intelligence over that framework. Algorithms analyzing years of production data can detect subtle inefficiencies invisible to the human eye. Maybe a door installation station is consistently 0.2 of a second slower during night shifts. Maybe a specific supplier's parts require slightly more adjustment. These aren't dramatic breakdowns, they're tiny frictions. But when you're building 1 car per minute, eliminating fractions of a second compounds into massive annual gains. And Toyota understands compounding better than almost anyone in manufacturing history. Walk further down the line and you'll see modular platforms quietly changing everything. Instead of designing every vehicle from scratch, Toyota engineers shared architectures that support multiple models. The chassis beneath a compact sedan may share core structural DNA with a crossover SUV. That reduces part variation, simplifies training, and accelerates assembly. Fewer unique components mean fewer chances for delay. The factory becomes more adaptable without sacrificing complexity in the final product. And then there's electrification at scale. Battery pack installation, once a niche process, is being refined into high-speed precision choreography. Heavy packs are guided into place by automated lifts while technicians secure high-voltage connections with insulated tools designed for speed and safety. Cooling systems are pressure-tested instantly. Software calibration begins before the vehicle even reaches final inspection. The future drivetrain isn't slowing production, it's being absorbed seamlessly into it. But here's something even more fascinating: Toyota's approach to risk. While some automakers make aggressive bets on single technologies, Toyota often diversifies: hybrids, plug-in hybrids, hydrogen fuel cells, battery electrics, all supported by adaptable manufacturing lines. That strategic flexibility protects the factory from sudden market swings. If consumer demand shifts unexpectedly, production ratios adjust. The heartbeat continues. Picture the logistics nerve center behind this operation. Massive digital boards display supplier arrivals in real time. Weather disruptions, shipping delays, and regional demand fluctuations are tracked continuously. If a port slows down thousands of miles away, adjustments ripple through the system almost instantly. Alternate sourcing activates. Production sequencing changes. Inventory buffers stretch just enough to absorb the shock. What looks calm on the factory floor is actually supported by an invisible web of global coordination. And yet, even with all this technology, Toyota still relies on something surprisingly simple: standardization. Every motion at every station is carefully studied. If a worker installs a component in 5 precise movements instead of 7, that improvement becomes the new standard. Multiply that across thousands of employees and millions of vehicles, and you begin to understand how 1 minute per car becomes sustainable instead of exhausting. Now imagine standing at the start of the line early in the morning. Raw steel coils are stamped into body panels with thunderous precision. Sheets are pressed, shaped, and stacked in perfect sequence. Hours later, those same pieces glide through welding, painting, assembly, inspection, transforming step by step. The time compression is staggering. What once took days in early automotive history now unfolds in under a shift.